Stop texting your subcontractors to find out who's available. Texts get lost. Phone numbers go out of date, and only one person ever has the information. The FTE resource update form in KYRO AI keeps everything in one place. Step 1. Go to your homepage, pick your subcontractor's contact, and send the form. It goes straight to them through the platform. Step 2. The subcontractor selects their departure location, fills in the FTEs and equipment available. If they have more than one location, they can add the FTE and equipment availability for those. Step 3. The response is saved so your whole team can see what's available and when it was last updated. Keep your subcontractor availability up to date before a storm hits, so when it's time to move, you're already ready. Start now at just $500 per month. No commitment, no implementation fee, unlimited users, cancel anytime.